Let's try that. Can I hear myself now? Should be on like all channels. Okay, so I can hear myself. I feel like I might be a little quiet, perhaps. I guess I can turn up the audio a little bit, but then it's gonna be, you're gonna hear more background noise. I can already hear a lot of background noise. Because normally I posted it and I adjust everything, so. Let's combine these. Put the music back on in the background. Well, I can still hear myself, I think. Can I? Nah, it's probably fine. Let me try to, I'm gonna adjust a couple things before, let's see some, what's an expander? What does that do? Let's see, can I put a compressor on myself to be louder? Okay, so I added like 5 decibels to myself. Is that, I don't know if that's better or not. Okay, whatever. Let's I can get a little closer too, I guess. Okay, let's stop listening to myself. Hi. Oh, crud. There's a lot of background noise. Anywho. I'm about ready. We can trim off some of that stuff later. I don't know how long I'm gonna do this for either. For a while. I am streaming. I'm afraid I'm gonna mess up something and it's not gonna be watchable. Okay. Let's switch this around. It's supposed to be like stuck to the side. And this side is supposed to be YouTube. Pretty good. Okay. Boom. Now it's actually showing the real deal. Because that was a GIF of me. I actually went and recorded a GIF of this just for that scene. Just so there was something, you know, nice to look at for people. These guys are not sitting on the chairs. They're like weirdly behind the chairs. But you know what? Maybe the chairs have backs to them. I don't know. I didn't decide that. Overall, things are getting a little crazy around here. These are all just people here. What does the menu even say? Oh, okay. I didn't even know. I don't even know what the things say. Emberlin's younger sister Glacia shouldn't be out of the palace, but I was testing in here. I did fix that bug from the development blog where I wasn't loading back to the right spot. I'm not loading back to the right facing direction, but that doesn't matter. There's no outside, so there's no outside to go to. I'm gonna mess around for a minute before I get started for real, since no one's here. Darkwood Forest. Ooh, messing around. If you go over here, Candor is actually up there, but you can't see him. There's something I wanted to test with that, actually, to see if you can force perspective to see him. I don't think you can. Yeah, you can't see him. But I know for a fact that I can cheat to see him. So if you go, boop, he's up here. Because he bursts out and tries to stop you from leaving. Andrew has not been programmed to do anything yet. And that's it. So, as a joke for myself. Do I have I should add a mute button onto my Stream Deck thing because I feel like I have to cough every so often. But I guess I can just hit the button on my microphone, but that's kind of annoying. Boom, wait. I got a lot of items there. Oh, I got my Patreon list still. Doesn't do anything. It has no effect. I should have just made it like a Maxia. I don't know, now I'm stuck. I can't get out of the vending machine. The machine is broken. How did that happen? The machine is still broken. Checking over and over is not going to fix the machine. Nope, still broken. And then, like, it doesn't say anything to you anymore, and you just hit the button, and then it says that secret message that I totally glazed over. I think I can still... Nope, these keys don't exist anymore. Oh, it's actually, like, some keys looks like hidden right here. And then the game crashes. Because I forgot I took out the old inventory system. So now we should be on the level editor screen, if OBS has figured it out. Yeah, okay. So we're good there. I don't have music playing on this one. So I'm going to have to add a media source real quick, because I don't want it to be dead silent while I'm doing this, especially when there's music going on in the background. Maybe I will try like DataVille music or something, since that's what I want to work on. I think I have DataVille tunes somewhere. Let me look through my list real quick. My soundtrack. Casino. I don't think I have I don't really have anything for that, really. But what am I doing? Where's my tunes? I think I have something somewhere. I don't want to accidentally load like the wrong track. So we're just gonna... Oh, there we go. I was in the wrong section. DataVille shop. I don't even know what that one is. Off the top of my head anyway. What's that sound like? Sorry if that's really loud. I'm not organized at all. Can I monitor it? Ooh, that's nice. Oh, I hope I didn't blow anyone's ears out. I boosted it by 21. There we go. Let's just have that going. Is it double playing though? Because I can hear it. I would imagine. Okay, I think only I can hear it now. Okay, I don't think anyone's even in here anyway. Hold on. No. Perfect. So it's not a lot going on for DataVille yet. I should just start the stream over. I haven't even done anything yet, except for like mess with audio settings. Yeah, no. It's a rocky start. Happens to the best of us. So now you can see my editor. This is where all the chaos happens. It's very unorganized. Gambler's Balloon Ride is a lot better on organization because I was actually smart enough to go through and organize everything or whatever. So we got that going for us. I'm gonna start DataVille today, hopefully. We have a lot of characters for it, or just like some characters for it. I'm gonna turn the audio down just a little bit. It's a little too close or something. We're gonna have to make a new tile set because I don't want to use the same grass for that area, especially because it's completely different. So we're gonna go to the tile sets, and I'm just gonna duplicate the outdoor one, but we're gonna change it completely. So we're gonna call this DataVille tiles. And we're just gonna go right in, and like this is like what we have for everything else. You know, we got the cobblestone, we got the sand, dirt, whatever. I don't really want to even follow this. This is old. Like I've had this for like decades or eons, perhaps. But I just wanted to have the size of the texture sheet laid out for me, because if you hit the grid, you can see all the different squares. The top left doesn't get used. We're just gonna delete all of that. I'm gonna try to make tiles. I'm really bad at making games, guys. Like, I'm serious. Like, I'm not a professional by any means. Like, I have no. This is why it's been 10 years and there's no game, because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just messing around. I'm literally just a hobbyist. That I find it entertaining to do. So this is gonna be the grass, I think. I don't know how I want to organize like corners and stuff yet. So DataVille is a digital type world, and it's kind of all robotic, and I really wanted to like take some form of inspiration from the Mega Man Battle Network games. So we gotta make it so I want it to be like floating platforms and stuff, like kind of like Sky City, but different. So anything facing down, I really want to have like a very emphasized, like this is a metal floor. So I don't know how I want to do that yet. I might just do like this, just so it's like really clear. Or I might do like a different color that looks a little bit more maybe metallic. So maybe I can do like a green with like, maybe put some gray in there or something, like a really gray scaled. So just turn the saturation way down. So it's just like, like that. And it looks kind of blah. And then I want it to be a little bit more vibrant. Almost like it's trying too hard to be realistic. And then for details, to make it so that it looks a bit better overall, I'm just gonna add like little squares. And yes, I use the Game Maker editor, which I know would like, I have Aspirite and everything, but like I'm just not good at that. Okay, we're gonna make it. I'm gonna make this like almost black, so I can add the details more easily. I don't know exactly what I'm doing yet. I haven't really decided. Because I don't want to make it too obvious that it's tiled either. Because if I do it like this and I tile it, you're going to be able to see all the individual looks. So I might actually just go through, get like a really light green, and kind of just try to draw little like reflection lines. Just to make it like, oh, this is like more like a glass that you're walking on. And I'm probably going to reflect that in how it sounds. It's going to look really bad at first because I usually just go over stuff. Also, I've been using the same grass for like 10 years, so I haven't drawn anything in a long time. But the idea is that I can go through, because I want the background of DataVille to look all sparkly crazy too. And I'm going to try to do something like this so it doesn't look too It's not going to stay this color too, by the way. This is just so I can see it easier. Because you know me, I don't see very well. Alright. I'm just going to go like that. Different sections. I wish I could do like variances or something. Gonna do like this and then put like a pixel down here so it like loops onto itself. Is it gonna work? I have no idea. So then we're gonna go back to the green color that we were doing before. I don't think this is exactly what I wanted, but I feel like it gets the idea across, at least for like basic construction, and then I will fix it up later. I think I need like a different color of green or little squares, I thought, to make them look like panels. I kind of want it to just look like a bunch of panels. I don't want it to look like super, like realistic. So let's take that at first value. And then we're gonna just kind of go down here. We gotta make a new blank room. Let's close all these. I tried to organize this before this stream to make it look a little bit better. I usually just take the blank room. I might even try creating child rooms. I don't even know if that's gonna work. I've never tried using a child room. I'm probably gonna regret it, but maybe it keeps all the stats of the parent room, perhaps. So we gotta go down to DataVille. You know, put it in there. We're gonna rename. Is that the thing? Is that the issue? I don't know what a child room even does. I might not even be able to use this. We're gonna call this R, and then DataVille main. I don't even know if I want it to be the main. I don't know yet. I'll change it. Main is such like a weirdly subjective term anyway. Can I change like the room size? I can't tell. You can really tell when I lean over. I don't know if anyone's even here. That's alright. I was just gonna do this anyway, probably at some point, but maybe this will make me actually work instead of just do nothing. So for tiles, I usually have like HUD, text, invisible. I really don't need all these different layers because I'm just so unorganized. I keep changing how I'm doing stuff all the time. I need to standardize everything better. What was I doing? Tile sets. We're gonna make a new tile set. Right here, because you have to use a sprite for a tile set. This is gonna be called DataVille tiles. Invalid name. Am I already using it? Oh, I'm using it up there. That should be S DataVille tiles, not T DataVille tiles. What am I doing? Go up here. I need to rename it. They're supposed to have almost the same name, but not. I need to reorganize my stuff. I'm not going to do that on the stream, though. That'd be really boring. Alright, let's go down to tile set 9. We're going to do T DataVille tiles. The best thing about looking at my all my folder tree thing on the side is like there's a whole bunch of stuff I don't even use anymore, or I'm never going to use, or just old stuff. Like, I don't even think it'd be possible to glean what I'm planning on doing just by looking. Because I don't even know what I'm doing. So, that works. Let's see. So there's the tiles. You can't use the top left, so I just start on the right one, and I work my way over and down, and whatever. We're gonna try to... Ooh, animation. That might be really neat. I always forget how to do the... I want to make an auto tile brush. Auto tile, boom, here it is. And then I need to add an auto tile. So what we're gonna do, I want to do a 16 tile one. How does this work again? I never can remember if, I need like an example, because I never know what the grays are. Like, is it am I going off of the light gray or the dark gray? That's the part I never know. Off the top of my head. So we're just going to do it like this. We're going to base it on the light gray being the part that you can see. I don't know if that's right, but I'll know really quickly if it is. Let's erase that. I messed it up. It's all wrong. Okay. So this one is the middle And this is like, man, I don't know. Why don't they just do it in order? It doesn't make any sense to me. This hurts my brain every time I try to do it. Because it wants to do like an up left angle thing, like if you're going up and left. So I guess let's take a moment to go back to the sprite real quick and try to adjust for some of these other situations that they're talking about. Because I think they're talking about if it's diagonal. I don't even want diagonals. So if it is diagonal, I should maybe just leave it blank. Perhaps. Well, either this is wanting me to do diagonal or not. This is what you're gonna be stuck. This is how I just trial and error all day. So we don't want any of these weird angles. So we're just gonna do that. And then light gray is what we're going off of. So the top. There's no such thing, light gray, so left. That's if they meet in the middle. It's never gonna happen. Light gray would be top left, and then light gray doesn't exist. This is the right, this is the upper right, this is the bottom. Wait, what is this? What did I just do? Oh, that one doesn't exist. This is the bottom. This is the bottom left, bottom right, and blank spot. Now I'll go into the room and try to paint with this, and if it goes completely horrible, it's based on the dark grays. That's how we're gonna know. Alright, so we're gonna go into the DataVille main. Go to tiles, the main tiles. We're gonna change it from the brick tile set. I really don't like the way I did the tiles, but you can't change it. If you try to change it, it messes up everything you've ever done. So I'm just stuck making new tile sets for whatever. Auto tile. Now see how that's like horrible? It's not horrible actually. It's actually pretty close to being what I want. I'm missing the top right though. So we're gonna go back to the close all but this. We need to go back to the tiles and maybe fix it. Auto tiling. Let's go down here. What did I mess up? Oh, this one. I need this tile right here. Done. Now if we go back to the DataVille main, erase all these mistakes. My issue with the auto tiling is it doesn't allow you to make 2x2 areas. It wants you to make 4x4s like this. What if I wanted to do smaller? You know, what if I wanted to have like a 2x2 walkway? It's not happening. Oh, okay, so the corners are like this situation. See, if I wanted to do this, it doesn't connect. If I put it here, it does. Is anyone in the chat? Anyone here? Or am I streaming to myself still? I don't know. It's fine. Someone can watch it later. It could be fun. So we're looking for top and bottom corners. So if I do this, I should, in theory, I should just be able to take the center one and put it there, because it shouldn't really matter. I think you'd be able to tell that there's no line, like there'd be a weird corner, and that's why you'd want that. So if I go into the tiles, I need to split the view, I think, so I can still see. I think I did this wrong. Can you still see that one on the stream? Because I popped it out. I kind of made a new window, actually. I gotta put that back, otherwise you won't be able to see it. I think. Anywho. So the ones that we left blank would be this situation. So let's put one in there. It's like the weird inside curly brace thing, so we're gonna go back. And if we look at the top, did it fix itself? It hadn't fixed itself. Now I'm missing one again. What did I do wrong? What did I do? Let's reallocate ourselves. Can we make it so I can see the frame? Oh, I can. Okay. Yeah, that's what it wants. So the light gray is the correct way. I have this. So when in doubt, just do one of these. Well, that's not going to help me long term. All right, let's go back. See the problem? What the heck? What is that? That's worse than ever. Top left and top right are... Top left and bottom right are AWOL right now. Bottom right. Bottom right's this one. And top left is messed up. What should be this? Let's go back. Why does it look like that? Why does it look like that still? Something is whack. That's not even close to being how it's supposed to look right now. Well. Can I like select all? Hang on, we're just gonna go through and we're just gonna clear them all. Okay, this insinuates that I want the middle. We're going back. Boom, that's the middle. Forget the rest of the news. So this, if I turn off the thing, it shows me the light gray is the correct way. So, in the incident that I am turning... Oh, I just punched the microphone. What instance would I be like this, though? Is that just like if you're going up and left? So do I need like a right angle sprite or something? Alright, we're going back to the sprites. I think it's not gonna... What I'm gonna do isn't gonna work, but it will help me understand my situation better. So welcome to my process. My very bad process. I want to do angles now. So I guess I'm just gonna make like a weird plus sort of thing out of black and green and whatever. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that should work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Because I want to have it be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Because then there's like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I think to get boxes like perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The outer box doesn't matter right now. I'm doing weird things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm like framing it out, but I'm doing it in a weird way. This is the box that I want. These are unnecessary. Maybe I can have like weird junction points or something. Unnecessary, unnecessary. These can be the roads that come off of the box. I think that's what it's asking me for. But I can never tell. So that's what we're doing. I need to use the line tool. I have a trackball mouse, so it's kind of hard for me to draw straight lines. I'm still using the regular tool. On accident. Okay. Then we're gonna use the box tool, fill this in. I don't even know if this is what they want. We're gonna find out if it all goes horribly or not. Something doesn't seem right about this, but I'm gonna try it anyway. No! I want this color. Boom. Go back to the tile set, or whatever the auto tiler is. Where the heck is it? Well, here's this part. Now I need to go down to the bottom. It's kind of boring, actually. Sorry to say. This part is, anyway. I mean, it's fun to like make new things for the first time, but I think it's asking me what happens if it turns dramatically. So if it turns and goes up, oh no. If it turns and goes up, I'm obviously gonna want to go this way, and if it turns and goes this way, you want this one, and then you want the top, then you want the, if it turns and goes like that, then you want the left side, then you want if they both meet, and I don't have a situation for that. Top left, that's if it turns and goes that way, like this, and then if they both meet a different way, which isn't going to be a thing, the right side, the top right, then the bottom left, then the bottom right, and then the blank one, which will be this one. Alright, now back to DataVille. Now it should, for the most part, not work at all, unless I do this, which actually I kind of like the look of that, because I wanted to do like grid sections anyway, but that doesn't mean I should do it that way. Well look, actually if I go like this and paint, it works. It just doesn't like what I did with the corner. It really don't like my corner skills. It's pretty much trying to tell me that's not what I asked, because it's doing the opposite. I think the thing is they expect you to not use the whole section, and I think that's the problem that I'm having. They don't expect you to use the whole tile. So what I'm trying to say is, like, they kind of expect you to use like half of it, so they kind of think you're gonna do like this. Which actually probably would be better. Alright, that's it. We're doing the thing. We're gonna use a red line so I can delete it easily. We're gonna draw 4 out from each section. No, 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, let's just go 8 out. With a red line. What did I do there anyway? Did I just let it be like that? What's wrong with me? Red line time. Red, I said. Why does it keep being yellow? Okay. So from here, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. I gotta zoom in more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this one can go. This is as far back as I'm gonna shrink it from the middle. Why I'm doing it like this is I don't know. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm trying to measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we gotta go through and just bring all of these, like this has gotta be like if I can see this, I've gone too far. So do that, basically. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing or not. What am I doing? So I gotta grab all these. I might be doing something horrible. Right? Am I doing this right? I don't know. This might be a horrible idea. Because I'm not using the entire tile size. Because the idea is that I'm just gonna like kind of overwrite like that. And then we gotta bring the top in. No, I can't include the part that I'm getting rid of. And then it should just completely get rid of it like that. And it should be like pretty perfect like that. Because then I'm only, you know, I'm doing like this. Now if we go back to here and I try to put it down, you can see it really starts to break. Because it doesn't know what to do with my changed tiles. Because now they don't take up a whole thing anymore, which is actually kind of annoying to me. Like, I feel like I'd rather it take up the whole space. But I guess then I'm just making the road different. I don't know. Because then if I want to put them together like this, they look like that. It's awful. Like, what is this? What is this supposed to be? I've canceled my idea. I'm going back. We just wasted like 5 minutes, but I don't like it. Don't like anything about it, really. Put all my old dots back. Get rid of all these extra dumb dots I put on here. What I do think I want to do to really emphasize the digitality of it is I think I'm going to purposely put like weird grid lines inside of it. That might help. So like, let's say I go like this on all panels. It's gonna look really dumb right now. It might look really dumb when I try to do it, for real. Just on the insides, to purposely divide everything. Trial and error. Gotta move it over, go down, move it over, and then do it down here. This might actually look really bad. I have a feeling it's gonna go that direction of looking bad. But we're going for like a digital look, so. So you put them together, they look like this. Actually, this might make it easier for me to discern what's happening. Because see, you put them together, they look like this, and then you try to put it up, and it looks like that. What's that supposed to be? I don't know. It's supposed to be the inner corners where there's only the... what's missing? Just the bottom left? It's cornering around? I don't know. I'm doing something really wrong somewhere. This must not be what they want me to do at all. So I'm thinking really hard right now. If I take a red pen and I draw, I'll just take a red square and go like this and see what it's trying to do. Literally half of my problem is I just don't understand what's happening around me. Yeah. So it's asking what to do in these corners. Like where it meets. Which is literally just nothing. I just want like the same thing to happen as anywhere else. So basically it's asking what to do in each one of these corner situations. So I think we just want it to do like a black line, just to be like you're done. Right? Let's just try. If I go all the way up like this, is that bad? Or is it not bad? I don't know yet. We're gonna find out one way or another. I need to do the line tool. Like so. I'll figure it out. I always do. Or I don't. Okay. Now, we just gotta make the rest of the tile look like it's supposed to, and now it knows what to do on the corner. It's not really making it extra bad that I can tell. So let's just fill it all in. Like so. I don't even think it's using the entire thing. What do the sides do? I'm confused more than ever now. Okay. The extra stuff doesn't need to be there, so let's zoom it out. I don't even know if any of this needs to be here. Okay. Color picker. Then we're just gonna highlight all of this. And we're gonna finish with a black square. What is the point? Why don't I just use the original square? Now I'm more confused than I was before. We wanted this, then we want to go with the black square. Boom. Okay. You look in here, now you got all this extra. See, so we don't need this much. We only need enough to cover the wall. And the rest of it needs to be the green stiff. We can do an alternate. So what we need to do is do this, make it twice as thick, so we can just go down the, that's too thick. Okay. Because we've already kind of decided, let's use the square tool like this. Now look back at this room. It's looking pretty good, but we don't need that long bottom. So we're just gonna maybe do like this. Is that enough? It's almost enough. I almost don't even think you need any of it. Not to do what you want anyway. So okay, so now the left side's going, the left and the right side go entirely too tall. Let's zoom it out and go up, because we're basically dealing with this on both sides now. We don't really need that at all. What am I doing? Why do I even need this? I'm not even sure. Maybe I don't. Let's try it a little bit farther down. Basically just undoing everything I've done. Okay, that's the problem. There's a very specific, like, 4 pixel thing going on there. You can't really tell. Sorry, I'm getting too far away from the microphone. You can't really tell because the background color is weird. If I change the background to, like, gray, you'll be able to see it better. It looks weird here, specifically in this specific situation. So what I have to do is I think I just have to draw a black line a certain number of pixels. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back, take a gander. There, see it connects. The top one doesn't. The top one needs to come down one more. Actually, it looks a little weird on the sides, doesn't it? Because there's no grid on the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it's what each corner... Technically, this should be flipped around the other way, right? No, we don't need that much. Why is it so... goes so far? Hold on, I'm getting a phone call. Don't know anyone from Texas, so... correction, I don't know anyone from Texas. For real. Yeah, see, that connects pretty well. It does make it look a little weird at the top there. Like, I don't know what's up with that. Maybe the top and the bottom need to not be so thick. Let's try that. Yeah, one side looks much better now. So, I guess I could also do like a really cool, like, panel thing in the corner, but why does the top and the bottom have such a different disparity in how much issue there is? Oh, because the bottom has the extra... Actually, that makes sense then. Their locations work. The problem is it doesn't junction very well, you see what I mean? Like the way that it goes like this. Because this is the part of the... This is all that goes into the turn. And then it doesn't go up. So I need to put 4... Oh, it doesn't... Actually, it shouldn't do that. I could make it go up and over, though. Like, okay. For detail's sake. If I really wanted to make it look connected, I could just go like this. So it looks like they're working their way around. Right? See how it looks like it's going around? But that doesn't really look right either, does it? I don't know. Because it kind of like goes... When really I should have like an alternate sprite for right here, maybe. To like make the corners different. I think I like the wraparound a little bit. I don't really do that on the top. Well, actually I do, don't I? Because if I go like this, it's a totally different situation. Or it's actually the same. So switch back, see how it looks like it goes around the corner? And then we could do like an alternate green just to make it look impressive. So like as you go around in DataVille, it looks like pew. That just makes the tile more noticeable. Maybe. I don't really want the tile to be so thick. Maybe the middle ones don't need it as much. So like what if I take this and get rid of it for the middle so it's not being doubled everywhere. Oh, that looks weird. Because now it's only on the edges that you would see the extra detail. I could do a top left thing. Or I just don't do it on certain corners. That would look worse. Let's take this, and instead of doing lighter, let's go darker. Wow, that was a lot. I didn't want it to go that much worse. Let's do like 44. Boom. It's a bit better. And what if we just make this color, and then this can be the original color, and then we can draw some more of these lines here in their own way. I don't even know if I want the lines. Maybe I just don't like the lines. Here, let's get rid of all the lines. We're gonna just turn all those that way. Now there's none of those lines anymore. So we check this out, we go in here. It looks interesting, I suppose. We turn off the grid. I don't know if I love it though. Because it's a little weird. But at least now if I go to the tiles and I paint with the brush, brushes, yeah. Doesn't know what to do in the corners like that. Though I don't think I'd ever do that. Like I feel like I want it for the completion of it. Also, that's a little weird. But I feel like I'd be more likely to do. Although I really like the panels like this, but then they don't match the top and the bottom like I'd want. So I'm basically trying to be like, ooh, these are all on a grid. DataVille. It doesn't really look technological to me though. I could make them flash though, like go through different colors. But then I think I'd have to have like an alternate color for it to turn into. So I don't know about that. I didn't get very far. Let's turn the background back to black like I wanted it to be. Hold on. I don't know how I feel about these. 'Cause I thought I knew what I was doing. Or I thought I could pretend like I knew what I was doing. Because like if you wanted to have like a hub area like this, and there'd be characters like talking or whatever. So let's zoom it out. Not that I'm going to do it like this size. And then you'd have like offshoots. And then you know you can go this way. I think I need different colors of road or something just to make it more visually interesting. I think, I don't know, because I feel like I want to do like panels, like full squares, and it's just not coming out the way I want it to. Especially since the bottom doesn't really fit the size. Like the tiles are always smaller on the bottom because of the extra. I don't know if that makes sense, but I've made all of the other ones bigger, and the bottom one's actually smaller because it wants to have room for the overhang thing. So I might have to manually put overhang on all of them, just so that they're all the same size. I think I'd rather the squares be bigger. Because what we need to do, we need to throw a Dexl on here, or a robot, or like anything. Do I have a robot? Robot villager. It's an asset though, it's not a we're gonna temporarily add an asset layer. Put that on the top. Okay, we needed this so I can go like, hello, robot, get on there, boom. Looks like the robot's hanging out here. We gotta get the background back to what it's supposed to be. I'm probably gonna use the background from like Gambler's Balloon Ride or something. I made a really neat like grid background for that. Let's change that back to black. I gotta go into that game and grab it. We're gonna go to instances. Let's grab a Dexl. Not the sprite of Dexl, but like the object of Dexl. There. So we can see Dexl. I feel like I need to have like a way to get in here that makes sense. So we're just gonna throw a lodestone on there in the asset section. So we're just gonna do this. That's how Dexl got here. Boom. Let's put me right there. We're gonna go into the game and see what it looks like for a second. I'm gonna have like different, I'm not gonna use the Dexl lodestone. I'm gonna have like teleport pads that like can teleport you to different sections or whatever. That's the wrong music and everything. So you have like all this. I feel like I'm really zoomed out. Is that normal? I just crashed the game. Let's go back in. Actually, let's change this around. There's gonna be no, let's just say, it won't let me change it. So the problem is that it's a parent. I need to not inherit. We're just gonna call this, it's not letting me change. Come on. Don't inherit. Inherit all the room settings, but not the code. Hang on, I have to sneeze. Okay. Anywho. What did I do? I accidentally deleted something I needed. Room name equals what would I even call this? I don't want to call it DataVille. I mean, it is DataVille, but not this exact spot. I'm not gonna have it play any theme right now, just because I don't really want to. But yeah, in the creation code, I just say what the name of the room is. So if we go here, DataVille, boom, it says DataVille. I feel like it's like, are they usually all, I keep crashing the game because it's the last room. And I thought I put a fix in for that, but I guess not. Let's go this how zoomed I usually am? This feels more accurate. Why does this feel different to me than what DataVille is? It's zoomed out a lot more. Hold on, we're gonna fix this. It seems like the parent room has the wrong settings. So that's nifty. I know the prison's accurate, Darkwood Forest is accurate. My zoom is 426 by 240. 426 by 240. 426 by 240. Right? Or that the port on the screen it has changed. Oh, I messed that up. So 426 by 240. Alright, let's go back in. I suppose. My stream's private. Well, that's embarrassing. Well, I accidentally had the stream be private. I was slightly sad that nobody was coming. I was like streaming for over an hour, and I was like, wow, not a single person came in and said hi, and I was like, wow, okay. And then I get told my stream's on private mode, and that's why no one's here. Now I feel a bit better. I can quit now, right? Because then I know. Because then if no one shows up now, I'd be sad. Extra sad. Anywho, this is what we got so far. For people that have been missing, I've been trying to make tiles for DataVille. I don't really have much going on yet. I wanted the ground to look more mechanical and less personable, or less whatever. And I kind of wanted to animate some of the tiles. But I don't know how I'd do that yet. Oh, I know how I could do it, but I wanted to put teleport pads and whatever else on the screen to drive it around all over. I just can't believe I didn't know I was on private mode. Okay. Oh well, you can go back and watch anything if you care to. I mean, I have been talking the whole time. It wasn't dead silent. I was pretending like people were watching. I would have laughed if I forgot to unmute my microphone for the rest of the stream. Anywho, I don't think I really like how the floor looks yet. I haven't really figured out how I want to do that. Let's go back into the original sprite set. I'm gonna attempt to try to make it all black and to see how that looks. I don't think I'm going to like it, but let's look at it. Because I want it to look... Ah, no, I wanted that tab. I had to go find my tab again, or my room. I accidentally closed it. DataVille. Okay. DataVille. I can't believe I had it on private. Ooh, that looks really bad. Too artificial. Too artificial. Also, that bottom section is really annoying to me. Let's go back to the sprite. Wherever I put that. Wait, where is the sprite now? think I messed everything up. Let's go back to the top. So we're gonna go to the DataVille tiles. We're gonna edit the image. Can I undo it, or did I accidentally like confirm my changes? I confirmed my changes. So I had to redraw all this. Not really. Maybe it'd be better if I just made the floor like a different color than green to make it seem more unnatural. Like if I did blue and then did like a really cool like darkish blue color for the other areas. I should be able to just go through it like this. I think I'm gonna get rid of the lip on the bottom and just manually throw that in there. I don't know if there's a better way for me to do it. I could make all the different sides different colors, but I don't think that's gonna work for my purposes. Let's see how this is looking now. So the corners look really messed up. I had a good thing going for a minute, and then I messed it up. Oh crud. How did I have it? I could look back on the stream, but it's a lot of work. I might just add like random like bits and blobs on it too. Let's look at this. So I have these extra ledges in the bottom of everything. Oh, that's right here. Let's put that back. Look at the chat. Do I have anyone yet? Anybody here? Not yet. Alright, let's go back and forth. Okay, I think I'm just gonna get rid of the extra edging. So anything, oh, well this isn't supposed to be like that, right? No, it's this side that doesn't need it. So we're gonna put this up like so. I think, if I want to be accurate. What am I doing? Can I delete that? I had it all figured out, and then I messed up. Go to the top. I don't need the extra lines, because it's meant to be like a corner for the top. So we just gotta do like this. Put that up like there. Right? And then what am I doing? Well, I had it all figured out at one point, and then things got weird. We're just gonna draw this down. You know what? I'm just gonna pretend like I didn't do this at all yet. Okay. Ah, man, this is stressing me out now. Let me minus this out. Okay. We're back here. Back to the same original problem as before. Doesn't ever go down. What am I even testing? Hold on. I need to go to the brushes. That's what we're testing. We don't want... We want it to not have the extra black line. We wanted a line in the corner to block. So no extra black lines anywhere, like at all, that I can tell. So let's just solid this up, solid it up. We're gonna get rid of the extra corners. I am a mess today. quietly do this now. Drawing lines, so it uses all my brain power. Okay. All is well. So I just have to draw a 4-pixel line on the bottom out of black. Am I even gonna keep it like that though? I don't know. And then the same thing on the top, just make it a black dot. So, boom. And then on the other side, do the same thing. And then down here, do like 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. There, that's connected. And that's at the top, it's connected properly. Now, I didn't know if I wanted to do like a line that comes down. I think it'd be better if I did like a different pattern or something. That would help. Because right now it looks like this. I keep leaning back and forth. I'm kind of uncomfortable right now. I normally would take like a break or walk around or something for a while. Let's make the room bigger. Room. Let's just make it, I don't know, 1080, 1920 by 1080. Let's just pretend it's a monitor. Because then I can do like different shapes in different directions. Kind of make it mazy. Then nobody knows like where things are going. I gotta be careful with the way that's looking. Let's go this way. Because that's kind of what I wanted to do. Maybe I can do different colors. In different platforms. Maybe the platforms can be different colors. Or I can have different things going on. In different patterns. Alright, let's see what we're doing here. So I have one view. An average viewer duration of 20 seconds. So that's pretty cool. Now to make it so you can see this path, but you can't get to it. Let's erase all that. Because I can put like a conveyor belt or something, which is probably the next thing I'm going to try to draw. Or like something to get me over this gap. Like a teleporter, whatever else. Because I want it all to be in the air. But I'm going to have to do something to make the ground more interesting. Or add like different colors to the ground. I haven't figured that out yet. Since I have one. Hi. Welcome to the chat. Let's see. I gotta figure out how to get my chat visible. Well, I have it, but it's my double screen's a little weird. There we go. Okay. Anywho, let's pretend to walk around this place for a minute. There's no collision, and that robot isn't actually there. It's just a picture of the robot for mock-up. Because it's like it's a sprite, but it's not an object, basically. Working our way over. And did I do this right? It's gonna take me to the Sky City again. There's a glitch where what is happening? Hang on, I just crashed the game. Okay. I'm professional. Oh, thank you. Thanks for coming and watching me slowly design a level. So, you can walk this way, and it's gonna be kind of mazy. I kind of like the idea of them being all 9x9 individual squares. That way you can tell that they're all artificial, but it look like this. You're like, oh, I can't go this way. I gotta go up. I gotta talk to this guy. This guy's like, oh, hey, this is happening up north. And you're like, okay, I'll go north. Oh, this is a dead end. I can put like a chest here or something. See, he doesn't have any depth. So I can just walk all over him. All right. Hi. Hello. I see you. In there. I'm gonna type hi just so you know. There we go. Go up. This could take me to another section. I don't know what's gonna happen from there. Maybe we need some help. What do you think, Relic? Oh, goodness. Let's go back to... Why is initialization all the way down there? Okay. Relic. I need Mona's help, actually. T? I thought T let me talk to people, but... Nope. Now I gotta teleport again. Not what I wanted. Boom. Okay. I swear I had like a button for like communicating. Here we go. We can go over the gap of this, right? Woo! Not really what I meant though. I could go over the gap. Ooh. But that would then why wouldn't I be able to just fly around all over the place like this? I don't know. I thought about changing this because it kind of adds way too many questions. Although I could just say it's too heavy to do for very long. Which would allow you to do stuff like this, but I don't want to bypass. I guess there's like a force field that prevents you from leaving specific zones. Otherwise you wouldn't have to move around. Okay. Oop. There we go. Well, this is what it looks like right now. I kind of like it. I feel like it needs a lot more visual flair and intrigue. And just things flashing, like flashing fences and stuff. And I think I want some of the floor tiles to flash different colors or something. At one point I thought about making it so the floor changes as you step on it, which might be interesting. But I don't know for sure. So that would be unfortunate. Just a second. I better do something real quick. I don't like to do that. Boop. Okay. Now where was I? I gotta start doing something now, right? Okay. Let's get out of the game window itself. I could program the robot. I think we need... I don't know, should we do conveyor belts? Oh, hi, thank you. I'm very unorganized, and I'm very not used to doing this stuff live, and I just kind of jump around a lot, but this is a new area that I'm working on. I started it today, so it's all brand new stuff. Overall, mostly. To do... Oh, Mona's already out. Boom. Relic. I don't know where we're gonna go. Yeah, it's meant to be like a... This is a town called DataVille that I'm making, and I wanted it to be like a homage to Mega Man Battle Network. So it's not gonna be the same, but it's like... You know, it's robots and stuff. Completely different game. It's just this area is inspired by it. That's what I'm trying to go for. A little bit. Just to kind of show my love for it, because I played so much of that when I was a kid. But yeah, the majority of the rooms look completely nothing like that. Like, we got the forest, the prison. You know, we got all this different stuff going on. But other than that, the new area is the robot area, so quite pumped about that. Oh, gotta fight these guys now. Didn't actually need to come in here, but I guess that's what happens. There we go. I don't really have to fight these guys. I could just leave. I could just teleport out, but I'm here now. Might as well take the hit. And I need to add more attacks and stuff. I only have the one right now. Okay. Finish him off. There. That's like what the battles are like. They're more Paper Mario-y. An enemy respawned, so that's great. There's Gregory. I don't know what he's gonna say if I talk to him, so I'm just gonna leave him at that. I don't really think I have anywhere else to be right now. Where am I at? I'm stuck up here? That's not right. Get down here. Okay, cool. We could ride the balloon, but then I'm gonna be in the wrong spot. Okay, let's exit this off. Go back to the editor. I probably need to add like fences or something to make it look better. So let's do that. So we're gonna go back to the DataVille. We're gonna create a... Oh, I forgot we had these guys. I have different robots. A couple different ones anyway. We got Wick, but I don't really want to fight him yet. We got Posabot, Negabot. And yes, they're intentionally switched around. Like so. They're in the way. But I need to make a new sprite. Because I want to make like a wall. So we're going to call this a fence. S DataVille. Let's call it S fence DataVille. I could make electrical fences that you can turn on and off. That might be fun. We're gonna keep it at a 32 by 32, edit the image, turn on the grid. And we kind of want it to look more industrial. So we're gonna have to go for like a metal posts. Maybe put some lights on them. And they're gonna have to tile. So I'm gonna have to do a left post and a right post. I just realized. I wonder if I should use sprite tiles for that. Same. I want this whole area to be like, it's gonna be all conveyor belts and like electricity puzzles and teleporters and stuff like that. At least that's what I want to go for. I actually think the fences should be tiles, because then I can tile the fence along the bottom. Maybe I should do that. Maybe I shouldn't do a fence like this, because I don't need it for collision. Let's go to the tile set, because I can make a an auto tile thing that has fences the sides and stuff for me. And I can animate it with a different color. So I'm going to take the DataVille tiles and put it at the top. So I changed my mind. I was going to do a different way to do it. This section is going to be for that. I want different floor colors, so let's Control A, C, and then V. What have I done? Cancel. Hang on. I need to undo. What have I done? Uh-oh. Oh, wait. Okay. I don't know why it switched tabs on me, but it made me very afraid. What are you doing this for? Okay. Well, I was gonna say just put it down here. Like so. And I could just change the color to a different blue. Or I could just have a bunch of different ones, like orange. Let's change all these to orange and then like a darker orange. I don't know if I'm going to keep it like this, but I like it right now. It's good enough for me. Let's do... Go in there. Open this. Let's turn it down a notch. Then maybe we can do that and have like an orange section. That looks pretty good to me. I'm trying to figure out how I want to separate it, because if you can't move the tiles later, and I'm gonna need more squares. I'll go to the right a little bit so it's like sectioned off. Maybe I should just have a couple of these just planned out ahead of time. Not that I'm gonna use all of them, but maybe having them would be beneficial to me. Let's turn all these green. Maybe I don't love it, but I can always change it. The best thing about me making this game is I can just change it if I don't like it later. I can just redraw them all. It'd be a pain in the butt, and it'd kind of undervalue what I did today. But there, now I don't have to worry about at least 3 zones. I could zone them all out to be different colors too. Yeah, peachy tiles. I don't want to insinuate this is ice or anything though. I could have a slate change color when you step on them to a random one of the colors. I could have the floor tiles and the decoration tiles be different tile sets. That might not be a bad idea. Like I could have decoration tiles and then have floor tiles, and then I don't have to worry about them clashing. We'll do that later, but for now we're just gonna build them down here, and I can just fix them later. I'm not gonna be that far in. Every one of these is 16 by 16, I believe. And I'm allowed to use 32 by 32. So the fence needs to be constrained to this section. I'm gonna do this temporarily. Like, this isn't gonna be how the fence looks permanently, but I just want to make sure that what am I doing? Each tile, hang on. Tile stuff hurts my brain. And then we're gonna put like a wire like this, and then we're gonna do probably like a silver color. I don't know if you need to be. I'm glad that you said it's Battle Network vibes, because I was trying to kind of do that. Like that's kind of what I was going for with it. So I'm glad that it was picked up on without me like saying it out loud. Sometimes when I'm trying to create a character or like an object, I'll draw it and then I'll ask my wife what she thinks it is. That way I know if it's actually what I'm intending for people to know what it is. Alright. So like, let's say like this is the tile for the... I don't want to do that. Let's do yellow and red. And then we'll do a second copy of it over here with the inverse, because I want to make sure that I can animate it properly, because I don't trust my animation ability. Like that. Now we have the two opposites. We're going to go to the tile set. The actual tile set. Sorry, I keep moving and I'm not staying in front of my microphone properly. Okay. So we're on the tile. This is the tile. It's got to scroll down to all the way down to DataVille tiles. Sorry, I'm not super good at talking and thinking at the same time. That's why I play easy games. Tile set properties. I want to do tile animation. I want this one. Add an animation. I want it to have 2 frames, and I want it to be this one and this one, and I want it to be at 2 FPS. So if we watch it, it looks like this. Now that's not ideal because it's moving left and right, so we got to go back in and fix that. Because I don't have it centered properly, so it's moving back and forth. It doesn't matter if they're centered, it just matters that they're, you know, the same gap. Okay, so now we go back here. DataVille tiles. Keep losing my spot. There. Now it looks like it's bouncing up and down. Not what I wanted. Easy fix. I just have to move all this down by 1, like it's supposed to be. All right, let's look at this. Now I think, go back to the tile section and brushes, libraries. I don't know how that works. Hold on, we gotta go back to the here. Okay, so now we watch it, it looks like this. And I mean, just for a test, doesn't look horrible. So we got animated tile now. Let's close that. Go back to DataVille. Now I want to go down to the bottom corner and put down my tile. If I hit play, they alternate. So I can do like this on the north sides. Although I don't know, Battle Network doesn't have fences like that, so I feel like that's kind of counter what I want. Cause see, you can do this, and that's what it would look like. I don't have to do that everywhere. And I had to have fences that go up and down too. Hello, tech wiggle fences. Yeah, I gotta do something different a little bit, but the idea is there. I don't have to put them everywhere, I can just put them some places too. I can just do like that. Or only do it on the corners. Or just weird, intermittent ones. Let's go inside and take a look at it. I know it's not going to look that much different, but it is different. I don't know how to answer that yet. I'm so early on it, because most areas don't look like this. So I was gonna have it be, I think, outside, I guess. Or it could all be inside of like a complex. I haven't really figured it out yet. I was thinking about making it because Gamus is the name of the guy who made DataVille, and he has a big factory. So there's gonna be a big factory section. But I don't know if DataVille itself is inside. It would make more sense to have it be inside, based on me having like the floating island that I'm standing in. Or all these floating platforms could be like in a facility. So I think it will be indoors, but like inside of like some kind of highly mechanized like island thing that seems like it's outside or something. Oh, hold on just a second. Just a second. Okay. Yeah, this is the DataVille shop theme, so I figured this would work. Another fun fact is I made these characters when I was in high school. These two guys was part of one of my little comic books that I drew when I was in high school. And they fit, because they're robots, so I don't know. This guy's new. He only existed for like not super new, but like a year. This guy has been around since like 2013 or 2012. Okay. I think it'd be inside, right? Okay. What am I doing now? I'm just thinking. I don't think I like the fences, but the idea of the fence intrigues me. So let's animate some of the tiles and see what it looks like. I wish I could do it like sporadically though. I guess I could. Let's go to the DataVille tiles. Because I can animate them if I wanted to. So like, let's say I wanted to animate these. I just have to go to the workstation, tile animation. Let's make a new one. We're gonna set this to, I don't know, 4 frames. And then we're just gonna pick one of these let's do the middle one. 2, 3, and then back to red. And if you watch it, it does that. So it's just gonna give everyone like a seizure or something. Oh geez, that's crazy looking. That's too much. Too fast. But that's an idea. That's not how I want it to be. Although I could do like tile collision, but I'd have to do a tutorial on that and I don't know how that works. I could, however, I don't know, do individual different tiles that have the same color scheme. So for instance, if I open this up, let's turn on the grid, and let's say I copy this and I move it, I don't know, all the way, not all the way, but like, let's go here, and then let's just put a couple of them down of slightly varying colors, like so. We can do like a purple and dark purple. Purple, dark, oh wait. Purple, dark purple. Let's just do that. And then we'll go back to the workspace. Delete this one entirely, add a new animation, and we're gonna do 4. And we can do like this. I don't want it to do like that high of a speed though. So fast. But I could go back into DataVille. Now, put this down. And I can just put sporadic ones all over the place. Can I start it at a different segment? Yeah, I can have different colors going at different times. So put one under there. I can make ones for different corners too, so it's not always the side. See, then we can have that going on. Yeah, that's kind of what I want. I kind of want it to look like really like technological and fun. And I thought about having like a dance floor room, so yeah, see, now it's like this. I thought about making it so it changes after you step on it, changes colors. I don't like the bottom, because it's not the same size of a square. Kind of bothers me. Okay. It's a little distracting, doesn't look the best. All these characters make me nervous, but they're not really there. I was gonna have it so some floors were like electrified too, so you couldn't touch them. We can do different colors. Looks like they're all synced up though. Are they all synced up or are they all a little different? I wonder if I can change it. Oh, I can't see both of them at the same time. Okay. Okay, I don't super love it, but it's an improvement over what it was. Alright. What time is it now? Oh wow, it's getting late already. Okay. Let's see. I don't have any items. Can't talk to people. I'm gonna have to change these corners, I think. I'm probably just gonna have to make my own bottom tile because I don't like it. Let's go to the sprite. That means I'm gonna have to change all of them. I don't like that they're different sizes. Doesn't appeal to me. Now I have to change all of them, all 4 of them. Let's change it to brush size. Because we want to do like a that. Why did I do it so the edges don't have to have color? Is there a reason I didn't? Why didn't I put color on the edges? Hang on, let me fix this. It's gonna make a different spot look weird until I fix it. Because my other tiles were weird. Yeah. Put that back. Because these tile, the edges don't really finish the cycle though. Let's do that. Let's take a new gander at it. See how different it looks now. I'm kind of okay with that. I don't have any items, can't talk to people. Now I gotta fix all my corners, because the corners on the bottom don't need all that extra space now. There's all this trial and error. Infinite trial and error. There. Now I should just go back and it should look pretty good. I don't even need the corner? What kind of craziness is this? Why don't I need the corner? So confused. Oh, I guess it's because I don't need to add black. Why is it not? There. Because these don't have a frame, but they don't need a frame. Well, I thought about just having... I don't know what I'm doing. There we go. Looks a little bland, but also the background is solid black, so it's hard to see. If I did like a dark green, perhaps. It'd be more noticeable. The bottom doesn't have a line anymore, I just noticed. How did I manage that one? Oh, because it's butted up against this and I didn't notice. Okay. It's a fixable problem. Trackball. That's a pretty good line. Oh, there it goes. I was gonna say that was a pretty good straight line for using a trackball mouse. Just go back. I'm not that far in that it's that big of a deal for me to adjust. Let's do like a slightly more like... What if we just add like dots? Can you see them even? I don't think it even changed the value of it at all. What if I did like lines? Like wire lines? I'll manually add the bottom ledge. See, that's what I'm talking about right there. Is my mouse even showing? I just realized I'm not even showing my mouse. Oh well, you don't need a mouse. I need a mouse, no one else needs a mouse. Would be helpful though, probably. Okay, put those corners back in. Like intended. Boom. Corners. Don't love the extra tile colors. I could do it differently though. Instead of making them so obnoxiously different, I could make them subtly different. So it looks more like they're glowing instead of flashing. Does that make sense? Okay. We're gonna color that. We're gonna bring it down one peg. Then we're gonna go back, and then we're gonna go down. No. Or should I go a little darker? And then we're gonna go here, and it'll look like it's going through a cycle. That doesn't look very good. Don't love it. Alright. That's it. We're just going for a really ugly alternate color scheme. Okay. We're not... I don't know what we're doing. What do I want to do now? think I'm just gonna get rid of that one. The color tile changing thing entirely. I mean, I might do it, but not. Or plot twist, I can just make it so it doesn't do it very often. So do like that, but make it not look that bad. And then it just looks like it occasionally flickers in some spots. It'd help if they weren't all in unison though. I guess they're not. I don't know. Let's get rid of that tile. Can I get rid of it? Eh. Oh no. I can just get rid of big sections. There. I gotta walk around. Alright, let's go back to the original section. Fill that back in. I don't really want all these flickering ones anymore. We can have one flickering one. I actually feel like I made quite a bit today. Oh, it's echoey. I'm leaning back though. Okay. Well, it's not horrible. Like in practice, it's not too bad. What if I hit this and like the tile broke and fell? Oh, what if I had cracked ones you could like knock down? But why would you want to knock them down? I could just like boom and like make the whole, like break the ice kind of, like the game. Where you'd break the ice cubes down? That'd be kind of neat. I don't know why I would. Maybe like the red ones you can break out. They could look different. Like make them shatter. Like, I don't know what kind of puzzle you'd be able to do with that. Or why you'd want to do that. That's all I got. So I can do like individual strands too. I don't have to. But I don't have the corners. Alright, let's get this out. And of course we could always get our favorite vending machine. Or whatever. Pollen? I called it a Dr. Pollen machine. That's the Sprite. Because why wouldn't there be one? Where's the grid? Oh geez, this thing's got a crazy grid. Okay. Boom. I wonder where would the enemy be on a layer below you? I don't even know if I had... There we go. So sometimes you just need a drink. Okay. I can have a different kind of vending machine up here. I kind of like having some fence. I feel like it gives some spice. I have different colored sections, like I said, following the same conventions. I haven't really figured that out yet. Does it always default me back forward? No, it just puts me back the way I was. Okay. That's flickering. I haven't made my electric fence yet. I don't know how I want to do that. Actually, I know exactly how I want to do that. 8, 16 by 16. This one we want it to be a sprite. So let's close all that. We're going to make the electric fence. If I can find my folder for it. DataVille, 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 DataVille. I had to sneeze again. I've returned. That's a good idea. What's I doing? Sprites. I'm getting lost. Getting lost in the DataVille search. Here we go. We're gonna use this original one. I think it needs to be a little wider. 8. I think they're 16 by 16, so it's like... Let's check the tiles real quick. How big are they? They're 32 by 32. That's really big. Why am I doing it like that? Okay, 16 by 16. So they're 48. No, 16. 32. Yeah. 48. So they're 48 tiles wide. So we want to make it a little bit bigger. The height is good. We want it to be 48 wide. And we're gonna make it like electric. So we gotta draw some squares. Doesn't have to be as tall as it can be. So let's do that. We gotta turn the power off. I can draw a power line. I'm gonna make a tiles for maybe like a power line or something. No, that doesn't make sense. Maybe you have to go find someone to turn the power off. Desolated style. Man, I'm like not able to like depth perception this very well. Okay. There. Then we're gonna erase this line. I don't want this line at all. Just get out of here, line. And I'm gonna do like little electric forky things. Like so. We'll do them in groups of 2, so they look like little plugs. Then we're gonna give it a gap, do that, and then this is what the mirror brush does that I was talking about. Flips it over the other way. I hope this is somewhat fun and not like just really boring. This is what I do all day. Not all day, every day, but some days this is what I do. Just me like messing around. Okay. I don't like that color. Just fill those in. And they're gonna be like silver. No, why do I keep trying to do silver? Looks bad every time. There we go. And I want to move them in just a little bit. I want to put like little orbs on top to show that it's on, even though you're gonna see that there's electricity coming out of it. Why did I put a bottom on one but not the other? Or did I accidentally move it down a peg? I do stuff like that. Nope, it's good. I just have to redraw the bottom. It'll look like it's more in the ground if I do that. So it's rounded, so it looks a little buried. I want to put a little circle on the top. And do a second one of those. Using the same principle as the other lights, I'm going to have them alternate. Red and yellow. There. And that's going to be the base of the gate. I'm going to scoot them back out again. I didn't know how big of a space I needed for what I was trying to do. Now I'm going to do a new layer for the electricity. And this is the part I like to do. So I like to just take like a really light blue and a light yellow and open this, and then I just scribble all over it. If it lets me draw. For some reason it's not letting me draw. Hello? Oh, this is selected so I couldn't draw. So from here I like to arc it to the negative of the other side. Then I like to use yellow and arc it to the positive of the other side. Then I do the same thing on the bottom, but then I can do it the opposite way, so it starts at the bottom. I gotta put a black dot there. I don't want it to be Boop. Then yellow. So now yellow is on the bottom here, so I'm gonna do yellow on the top here. And do like a crazy zoom. I even make sound effects in my head to make sure I'm getting the right energy, the right mental energy. Then you do that. And then you duplicate it, make a second image. Now I'm gonna alternate the red and the yellow. So this one's gonna be horribly messed up. Make this one yellow and make this one red. And you go back to this layer. Yellow is on the top on this one, so delete it. Now blue is gonna be on the top. So go back here, select this one and this one, take the pen. Yellow is on the top. Now we want blue on the top. So you very clean. Now that yellow. And then yellow. Wait. Yellow. That. Then blue. Like that. And then when you watch the animation, sometimes I hate it and I just do it again. It's really fast, so it looks bad. We gotta go back to the workstation. But if you turn it down to like 3, it doesn't look as bad. It just looks like that. So now we have an electrified fence that can block certain areas. Not the best I've done, but I still like it. Oh well, thank you. And then hopefully you would just have to find a way to turn this off so you can pass by. And then when you get close, it can just start making noises at you. So let's throw it down, or let's just throw the sprite down. Because sometimes before I put the objects down, I put the sprite down, just so you can see kind of what it looks like. So let's say you don't want to go this way. I can do that. Put these guys down here. I'll put him up there. Now you can see this. I don't really have a good electricity sound right now. Oh, I do have one for when Relic was trying to break the orb thing, where it's like, but I don't know how that's gonna go. So boom, can't go this way. I can even make it hurt you when you touch it, and then like knocks you over or something, pushes you back. Right now you can just walk through it, but I would just have to make it solid and make it make a noise. That's what it looks like in game. I think that looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that, at least for right now. This is my creative process. This is just what I do. Now the tricky thing would be if I wanted to turn the power off to that, it'd turn off the fence too, which would be a little weird. I'd probably just put a lever nearby that just turns off the electricity. Maybe behind like an enemy or something that's like really hard to avoid. So yeah, we made that. That's new. Everything here I made today, except for the characters. I didn't make the characters today, but the tiles I made, the fence, not that. I don't know why Dr. Pollen's everywhere. Brand marketing, I guess. Other than that, it's looking pretty good. Yeah. I don't know. I'm getting spacey. I want more coffee. I don't want to go on a coffee break right now. Let me check some stuff real quick before I'm not gonna stop yet, but I have other stuff I want to do too. All right. There we go. Hold on. I'm not really doing anything right now. I was actually just checking messages and stuff. See if I have anything else going. I mostly put the Dr. Pollen machine here so I'm not so close to death the whole time. There. Now I have 11 out of 10 health. let's see. So let's say I wanted to solidify this stuff real quick. I would go to the assets and scroll down to probably and they're called controllers. Then you just take the wall and you just put it where you want it. So you do instances, you do wall, and then I would just stretch. That's not what I want to do. Get out of here with that. Just kind of go around. Just go around everything. Anything that you don't want to be walked on, you just put the walls up. I could turn those into characters really easily, too. But there's a lot of bar locks running around that's just bar lock copy and pasted everywhere. Because he works, so I just throw him down, change it to sprite, boom, different character. I could just do this solid, too. No reason to not fill it in. I wonder if I could do like a thing where it's like if there's no tile there, it's just solid. I don't know why I'm filling this in right now. Because this isn't even the permanent layout. But I like being limited by my movement. I like limiting my character's movement, so I feel like I'm actually... Like, basically no matter how... If I want to be really lazy, I can do big chunks like that. It's technically less objects on the screen if I do it like that. Not that a wall really takes up that much memory or anything. It does eat up the I'm in the instances one. I'm supposed to be in the invisible one. Darn it. Well, it would look like this, but I messed up. So can I move them? Hang on, can I move these into the Control X, invisible, Control V, baby. There we go. Got it. That's all solid now. We're gonna take the fake things away now that aren't actually there. And we're gonna turn the... I need to fix that tile section real quick. I need the brush. Where's the brush? Hold on. Where is it? There we go. That's not right at all. Auto tile. Boom. Got that fixed. I want to turn the fence into a real fence. I do not have any enemy robots encountered. I barely even have... even the prison ones are a little sketchy. I have a lot of, like, unfinished ones, unfortunately. Controllers... Where's DataVille? Do I have a DataVille folder? Prison, Dante, Casino, Brightburg, I don't. I have to create a new group. This will be called DataVille objects. We're gonna go in there, open that up, create object. The dogs are being crazy. Oh, electric fence. Let's open that up. We're gonna put the electric fence in there. I gotta change the name of that. I don't really like that. It's gonna be solid. Let's go to the sprite real quick. We need to adjust the collision of the sprite because we don't want it to be the whole thing. So we're gonna do manual. We're gonna bring it down to about here. It looks interesting that I can go off farther to the left and the right, but I'm not gonna do that. There, now it's solid, and you can't touch it. That's all I wanted to do. its parent will be the object controller. Should be the depth parent, it's called. Right there, it's a pile of rocks. That's just what makes it draw its existence. And then let's say step, let's just do if distance to object Dexl is smaller than 16, if not audio is playing sound. I don't really have a good electricity, I don't think, saved yet. Let's do I don't know, a doodle voice. I don't have a sound effect for that ready. Audio, play, sound, doodle, voice, comma, 0, comma, 0. Then we need another check real quick. If instance exists, Dexl. 3 ifs just for one little thing. Alright, now we're gonna go back to the DataVille main. Let's put that new fence down. It should make sound effects at us when we want it to. Let's put that there. I shouldn't be able to go through it anymore. I don't even know what kind of enemies I'm going to be fighting yet. Because I got like the village part done. Probably like security droids or something like that. Drones, not droids. It's technically making a noise, it's just really quiet. I don't know if you can hear that. I'm gonna turn the sound of it up. It's really quiet. I'm not gonna add anything right now. I'm not gonna add any assets. I don't know if it's gonna like show all my files or something weird if I open it up. What is... I did doodle voice, which sounded pretty okay. It's so quiet though. How about robot voice? No. Kibbles, menu, confirm. What does a sword sound like? No, I don't like any of these options. Well, it works. Here, let me see what I got real quick. So I should have like a sound effect folder. I think it's called like Relic Thunder or something. Enemy hit, enemy defeated. Nothing for orb. Where did I put that sound effect? This is really good like background music, by the way. I like it. I'm gonna play a sound effect. I don't know if it's gonna be really loud or not. So be prepared for. I'm opening VLC right now. I don't hear anything. Here, we're gonna do create sound buzz. Wait, I think this is what I want. Wick blast? No. Nice try though. What's a soul scope sound? So I don't even know what these things are. Ooh, that's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. Sound electricity. Well, for now. I can change it later. It sounds more like fire, but we're gonna put that in the audio group of sound effects, and then we're gonna change. We're gonna go back to that other object. Electric fence. We're gonna change that to sound electricity, and it's gonna play sound electricity. I want to actually do a thing where it's like spatial sound, so you only can hear it when you're close. But I have to, you know, do some research on how that works. It's good background music. I don't know. Okay, here we go. I mean, it needs some work because it kind of continues when you walk away. You get the idea. Just add some like electrical hum to it. I need like a bzzz. It tells you to back off. I don't know. I'll fix it later. The idea is there. I don't know how to do spatial sound yet. But it'd be really cool if it would get like louder as I approached and get quieter as I moved away. Oh, doggies in the background are roughhousing. I could do like a if place. No, they won't be able to touch because it's solid. So I'm gonna unsolid it. If place meeting X, Y, O Dexl other or global dot hit points minus equals 1. And I'm gonna change this to if Dexl doesn't exist at all, just exit the whole script. Then there's that. This would just Dexl can't die in the overworld yet, but I could make it so touching it. Oops, sorry. I can make it so touching it would actually do the damage. Actually, I better drink a Dr. Pollen first. Because if I touch it, it almost killed me. I don't have a damage thing for the overworld at all. Look at that. That's doing some serious ouching. That is not something you want happening to you. I have a lot of negative things going on here. I never even saw a negative 1,000 damage, but now I have. Well, no, I think I kind of want to take a break. Make more coffee, maybe clean a little bit. I think I did a lot though. I want to do more on this though. I'm liking this so far. There we go. Hey. Why don't I have any Dr. Pollens? Wait, I can do it from anywhere? I don't even have to be next to the vending machine? That's hilarious. Okay. Well, this is probably gonna be like the music that I use for this area, unless I get something else, but... This is like kind of the safe area, where you're just kind of exploring, and yeah, it's not gonna... I probably just make it so if you touch it, it just like throws you back. So... Like, let's say it has like a... I don't want it to have a cooldown, but I don't know if I'm using... other.y plus equals 8 or 4. That way it like throws Dexl back when he touches it. I don't know if I can apply a force or something. Let's try it. Now if I touch it, lol. The fence is moving. That wasn't supposed to happen. Of course, who knows if you come to the fence from the top? You know? I can always just check that, though. I want you to have the option to hurt yourself. There. I gotta have to give myself some iframes or something, so now I can't go through it, and it looks like I'm getting zapped. Nope. Yeah, I need to do like a damage in the overworld thing. Like where you just get like, you spin or like you flash or something. Like an invincibility frame. Ouchie ouch. That hurted. Sort of deal. How much Dr. Pollen do I have to drink to get over this? It's not even checking to see if I have enough space. I'm gonna eat a million of these. Oh, it's supposed to be limited at 5, but I think it's a limit of 6. Let's do this. Just like I'm past the brink of death. Why am I doing this? This is why I don't ever get anything done. We're lucky that these are free right now. Okay, we're back. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do like some kind of like taking damage thing, where like I get hit and I flash. Cause I can do like you know, iframes or something. Like iframes are look, I can't get out. I'm walking up. I'm walking down. I don't know if Mona cares about that. Not Relic. Oh, crud. Wait. The Dr. Pollen machine crashed the game because I don't exist. Video essay in 5 years be like how... Dude, that Dr. Pollen machine causes me so many problems. Wait. This thing is so complicated. Also, it's just saying if examine button, but it doesn't care if I'm right next to it or not. What's up with that? It's because I don't have this. I don't even have Dexl like in the... If machine state is equal to 2. Do this. There. Now Dexl's within range. Now I won't do that anymore. Also, if not instance exists, Dexl exit. And of course, as we all know, if global dot... Wait, is it global paused or is it paused? Global dot paused? Do I have a pause? If pause? I don't have a global pause variable? Okay. Well, it won't crash anymore. If there's no Dexl, the game, it just doesn't work at all. No one else can use the vending machine unless Dexl's there. Doesn't run any of that code. Now I can do this. Now I can hit tab, bring out Mona, turn it into this. Mona can't fly over it either. But can Mona go through the fence? Aha! Plot twist. I flew over the fence. Oh, jeez. I keep hitting the wrong... I have all these cheat codes on my keyboard. Ow. Mona, fly me over. Fly me over. Boop. How do I get back? What the heck? What? It still crashed. That doesn't even make sense. Doesn't even make any sense why that would crash. Because it's told right here not to do any of this stuff unless Dexl exists. Right there, full stop. That's the first thing it does. Still crashed because there's no Dexl. Doesn't even make sense. I'm angry. And then it turns into like a million vending machines all at once. So that's the thing that happens. I don't know. I think I might be done for the day. I had fun, but I feel like I should also do something else. There was like a whole hour before you showed up that I did of me like trialing and erroring this on these floor tiles. Well, I got this. I want to do conveyor belts though. Hold on, let's go. I don't know. I might do a conveyor belt. I want coffee though. Create. Let's make a new sprite. Conveyor belt. Conveyor belts only need to be probably 16 by 16. They kind of follow the same rule. Actually, I should probably use tiles for those too. Could probably do some magic with those. I could. Nah. We're just gonna do it this way. Workspace. We're gonna make these 16 by 16. That's all you need. So conveyor belts are cool because they convey belts. So we're gonna do like a this. Then we're gonna erase the inner circle. Ah, crud. What have I done? You know what? No. We're gonna do it this way. I said so. This way, this way. And all we need is like a line and a line. And we're done. The conveyor belt is complete. Not really. It's not really complete. It's a trick. Because now we need the edges need to be a cool color, like gray. And then the middle part needs to be a cool color, like gray. Do the sides. I want the sides to be like red. You're just like, convey, convey. Boom. Now, Control V, Control C. Now, you just gotta drag this until it's... I want it to be right on the edge. And then you just make this, change it to this. So now it looks like that. And if you loop it, it should look like that. But not as fast. I think I need to do a little bit more than that. I don't want to have too many animation frames though. I want it to be kind of minimal. I think it needs to be like completely off the screen. And then have the other side poking out. I don't know how wide this is, but that's how wide we need to go with it. So it's 1, 2, 3. On the inside part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we need to go 1. Let's get the black line out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here has got to be this color. And it should go like that. And then it should look like it's scrolling that way. I think that's fairly successful. It kind of does look like it's scrolling. I probably could do a better job of that, but... Now if we went to the Assets tab, and we went and got the Conveyor Belt, and we wanted to convey... I did have like a different Conveyor Belt in a Gambler's Balloon Ride. Why is it doing 16 by 6, 32 by 32 again? Get out of here. Maybe that is too small. Is it conveyable which direction it's going? What if I, on the gray... Alright, that's it. We're doing more trickery. In order to do an arrow, I'm gonna have to do like a... That's not gonna look good. What's happening here? Hang on. The way that I have it shaped, it's gonna make it really difficult for me to do an arrow. There. Good enough. So now we're gonna go here. And it's almost touching the end there. Actually, you wouldn't see it because of how far over I have it. So it's 1 pixel away from touching, so which means it just does touch over here. Although you never see it here, which is a little weird. So what if we make it 3 frames of animation? So we're gonna have to move this probably this far this way, not so it's touching. There's only 2 colors. I think that's fine, right? So see, it's not traveling the same amount of distance every time though. It is a bit small. So it goes forward. It's only 16 across, it only needs to move that much. Doesn't really make sense for me to try to put another one in here. Unless I move this one back. Because then it's never off the screen, that looks worse. Okay, the second, the extra one just makes it look bad. I don't know, it's more noticeable. Because it basically just needs to use whatever momentum Dexl was using before. I think I can basically just use the same things that's in the escalators. Like we have a move up and a move down. So I should be able to just duplicate it and call it, rename and call it, move right. I actually could probably change all these, just move, and then, I should just make one object called, like, move, and then I can define what it does in the create event or something, but... So it's touching Dexl. That's all it does? Well, that's lazy. Okay. Plus equals to 1. I thought it was gonna do like add motion or something fancy. I thought I was doing something cool back in the day, but I guess not. I don't know what that's all about. Alright. So we're gonna go back in. I'm just gonna give the move right a sprite. I'm just gonna give it the conveyor belt sprite. Conveyor belt. Boom. Why am I doing this like this? Alright, now... Oh, because I wanted to stretch it out, so I would use tiles. Otherwise I'm gonna have to... So the problem with the way I'm doing it here is I'm gonna have to use a whole bunch of objects instead of just assets. Let's get that extra one out. They don't want to have like a million fences. Because otherwise I'm gonna have to... I'll show you. I would have to like do like this. Where otherwise if I just use tiles or like assets or something, I could do tiles because it's only 2 sprites. I can't just do that. That looks bad. I could just do that. That might look a little bit more usable. Well, I mean, Dexl's really only standing in a 16 by 16 block on the grid. Well, this pushed me into oblivion. Also, these are invisible. Not visible. Alright. If place free Dexl.x plus 2. There, it should only move me to the right if it's open to the right. So it won't push me off the ledge. Wait, what do you mean malformed if statement? If place free. Oh. There we go. It was just being picky. Not really being picky. I didn't know where else it was checking on the Y coordinate. That's not right. What? Why is it? What do you mean? It can move. Because place free. What? Because free only applies to solid objects, I believe. It says... I gotta check the documentation. Yeah, there's no solid flagged instance. Because it should only not move me if there's a wall. There we go. Well, that doesn't move me all the way. There we go. Also, I kind of want the conveyor belts to fit on the tiles. Or should they be bigger? I kind of like the bigger ones, to be honest. Feels like you can get more done on the big ones. Alright, we're just gonna make them bigger. No. But I think it looked pretty good, just being stretched, because it's so simple. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I forgot I was gonna do an Easter event. I had little Easter eggs I made. Edit image. Workspace. Scale to be 32 by 32. Apply. We're just straight up stretching this thing. Alright. Then that looks horrible. Instances? Boom. Boom. Boom, boom. There's a whole bunch of these unneeded. Conveyor belts. So I want it to, I need to do like a starting and an ending spot for them, like a little metal strip I can put at the end or the beginning. But now it doesn't fit perfectly on here, see? That's what I'm saying, it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit my tiles. Which is what I wanted it to do. Where to put that conveyor belt? It's up at the top. It's called move. Oh, that's the sprite. So many items, so many things. There. Wait. Here it is. That took me forever to find. Alright, let's put another one down. I want to edit the object real quick. If Dexl .x plus 1. I don't want to put them in the wall. Oh, where is the chat? There it is. The big ones don't fit on the grid though. I can make them 24 by 24 maybe. Why is it not? Oh. Oh. Is there a weird collision thing going on here? Hold on. Sprite. Gotta go all the way back up to it. Collision mask. No, it's the whole thing. I wonder if it's sensing the door. We're going back in. Why does it only... Now I can't move left. Well, hold on. That's some weird stuff going on there. That's it. I'm not using my old code. Also, what's this? I don't like this. Whatever this is, it's gotta go. Other dot O Dexl dot H speed equals equals O Dexl dot H speed plus 1. There, now it just adds speed to me. And it's not just infinitely adding speed, it's just making it one more than whatever I am. So if I just do plus 1, it'll just go on forever like that. Am I moving faster? Why is it not doing anything? Oh, you know what it is? Dexl has like an override thing. If I'm not hitting any keys, it sets my speed to 0. Like that's like a hard-coded thing. Like if I'm not pressing anything, it's set to 0. And that's the problem. So I'm gonna have to set something in Dexl. Like I'd have to do like Dexl dot being moved equal true. And go to Dexl. Create let's just say something weird. States? I don't know. Let's just throw it in here. Being moved equals false. Then I gotta go to the normal state. Scripts. This is kind of a bad way to do this because this is how you get if trees. Because I have like a if pressing nothing. If not... I have something to stop me from moving. And being moved equals false. Do that. See, being moved equals false. I think that's what I called it every other time. Being moved. Because then it's being moved, false. That's on the create. So now I need the conveyor belt to say if is there an instance, collision? Let's see. I'm looking for collision to end. So let's do hang on, I gotta save. think it's being chunky. I'm worried about it crashing. If not place meeting x comma y comma o Dexl, o Dexl dot being moved equals false. And if he touches Dexl, being moved equals true. And if not instance exists, o Dexl exit. So now when Dexl's on the conveyor belt, it says he's moving. And he gets off, he's not moving. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Whoa. That's some crazy speed, though. This is how you get to parallel universes. I gotta figure out how to build that up. Okay. I think I know what's wrong. It's not supposed to plus equal, it's supposed to be whatever Dexl's H speed is. But I guess Dexl's H speed increases every time. So I'm sure it's supposed to be move speed. Oh, that's even worse. Doesn't he have a move speed? Oh, it's called walk speed? My bad. Why would I call it walk speed anyway? Why did it turn blue? There. The H speed is Dexl's walk speed plus 1, so it's slightly faster than Dexl walking. There we go. It pushed me right into a wall, though. And if I hit left, it completely counteracts it. Like, I'm not being pushed to the right by it. What if I just make it, 1? Although I would override it. So maybe I'd need to just do this. Yes. Oh no, now I'm walking at exactly the speed. This is weird. Oh, because then I'm on the conveyor belt and I'm considered to be being moved. Ah, man. Ow. Alright, we're gonna take that part away. How did I deal with this in the casino? Why is it lurching? Oh no. I understand what's happening there. I'm gonna close all these things. So what's happening is that I'm touching two of them at once, and it's causing it to freak out. So I think I need to do it this way. It's ugly. I'm not gonna keep it like this. I'm gonna have to use a tile or something. I bet it will behave now. Yeah, see? Because sometimes I was touching two, sometimes I was touching one, and it put me in the wall. There we go. So I gotta do the check real quick. I'm gonna move this down into the casino area. So we do if place free Dexl.x plus 1, comma Dexl.y. Then it shouldn't put me in a wall. This is what it's like for me when I make games, like, all the time. Look at this, now it thinks I can't, now it can't move me. Can I just say, like, if not place meeting x comma y comma o wall with Dexl. I don't need this part. Now if there's not a wall there, I'm gonna move, no matter what. It doesn't care about anything but walls. Success. Then go against it, but it's kind of pushing me to the right the whole time. I'm gonna change it a little bit so it's not whatever the word is. Manual. I just don't want it to count the edges. There. Okay. Let's go back in. Then it's not going to count the edges. See, I can safely walk on the edges. I don't know if I like that though, because I don't want it to be like a manipulated thing where it's like you can avoid being on the conveyor belt. You know, I don't want people to be able to run like on the trim. But I can't have two collisions. I can't have like an outside and an inside. I'm probably gonna have to have two different objects. I'm gonna have to have thin walls, then I'm gonna have to have the inside part. So I'm gonna have to like rail outline it. Which is fine. It's a little weird. But these work, because I want to have up and down ones, left and right ones. That work in all different ways. Doesn't knock me in there anymore. I do want it to be faster. So I almost don't even want you to be able to escape. Like to go back the way you came. It's like I could even say 3. I'll have to figure something else out for the I'll probably just use assets to do this, put the sprites down, and then just have an object, purple, like, object or whatever. Kind of like how I do for the walls, how they're invisible. I'll just have the actual conveyor belt be invisible, then have an image of an actual conveyor belt. Woo! There we go. Like you can slow it down, but you can't stop it. You can go this way. Oop. Perfect. It's beautiful. If you really want to go with it, you just... Cool. Let's have it throw you directly into the void. Alright. I think I'm gonna stop here. I got stuff to do. I will keep working on DataVille eventually, but I think we did a lot of stuff today. It's a really nice new area. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I gotta go. I don't have a thanks for watching scene anymore. I'm gonna do be right back. And then I'm gonna change the be right back to see you next time. Boom. I'm a professional. I got Patreons. There's the chat on the side. I think YouTube has a chat automatically now, so you don't need that anymore. Bye.